Welcome to Rajasasela Holistics. Today I am doing a mini reading for Navaratri for all the zodiacs. The first zodiac being the Aries. You have got the card Compassion and Opens Heart. So this card says that if you apply compassion with one and another, it can open the hearts and remove all the blockages in your relationship. So you need to open your heart with compassion. It not only opens your heart but also the hearts which have been blocked in your relationship. So go ahead with the word compassion ahead, guys. That is the word from the universe for you. And one word for you, mark. So this word says that today some incident is going to happen in your life that will mark your life in future. It's going to be a remarkable day for you. In the coming days also you can make a mark in your life. So this day I have done this success through compassion. So that is the message for you from the universe, guys. So for Taurians, the card you have got is courage. Courage is the thing for you. You have to keep in this world for time being now. That can bring all success in your life. So leave ahead all fears and anxieties behind. So that go ahead with the courage that will encourage you to bring many things in your life. So the ignition code for you have got for you is walk. You need to no stagnation or no blockages. You have to walk. Even for some time you have to walk alone. No matter you go ahead, you will get all the encouragement from the universe in this way. So for Gemini, go with the flow. You have to go with the flow with your creativity inside you. So anything blocking your way, you leave ahead the inability of yours and think with creativity so that you move on and you can grab all the opportunities. That is the message for you from the universe. The word for you is over. So the waiting period is over and a new era is going to start. So you have to go ahead with the creativity in you so that you can acquire more things in life. So for Cancerians, you have got the card Abundance. Abundance is ahead for you. So release all expectations that you need to get success only through some limited options. No, you can get abundance from many sources. Universe has many sources to give you. So abundance is universe can give you in multiple ways. So keep that in your mind. And how you can attract it and what is the word given for you is the day. So you have to daydream for it. The daydreaming will help you to overcome all these issues. And for Leos, you have got the card balance. You need to be under balance. Your emotions, your spending and your way of approaching things, you need to do with balance and harmony. Of course, harmony inside you and outside you, getting it balanced is very important. Otherwise there may be some issues, so you need to take care of it. So the ignition code for you is heart. Go by your inner heart, what it says. Give importance to your heart rather than your head. So that is the word from the universe. So Virgo, the celebration is the card for you. Enjoy every moment with celebration. That is the message for you from universe. So leave behind all the fears and pains behind so that you can enjoy in life. Love is ahead for you. Love, you are going to get what you were expecting from long time. You are going to get that love. So for Tula, that is Libra, you have got the card Harmony, aligned with the grace of the universe. So harmony is being sent to you in your heart. So harmony in your relationship, harmony in your emotions, harmony in your career, everything will be given to you by the universe. So you have to align with the divinity. So that is the thing. What you can do the best for you is enjoy. You need to enjoy every moment rather than thinking about the past and the future. Enjoy the given moment to you. For Scorpions, you have got the card healing. Pure energy of universe is sent to you for healing. So get yourself drenched with with that energy of the universe to heal your mind, body and soul, so that you can come out of all the issues which is bothering you. And for you, the ignition code is job. It's given that you do the job what is given to you, that's it, and don't focus on anything other than that. Drench in the energy of the universe and get to your work, that's it, don't think beyond it. That's what the universe says. So for Sagittarius, you are having the card healing embrace, connect with kindness. It says that embrace the healing of the universe, that will bring so much changes in your life. Especially connecting with the kindness of the universe will help you to heal up all the wounds and hurts in your heart, so that you can move on in your life. And the ignition code for you is peace. So you have to keep peace within you, so that keeping peace will help you to overcome all the past wounds. And for Capricorn, you have got the card Heart Song. Remove all barriers from the in your life through the heart song sent to you by the universe. You may hear some songs in your heart, or any favorite song you have in your mind, repeat it in your heart again and again, so that will help you. Or otherwise, you keep thinking about the things what you want to achieve, that is your heart song, that will help you to overcome all barriers and visualize for the highest good of you what the universe is sending you as a message. We will see. You have got hope. Keep hope. That hope is your heart song. Keep hope and think about what you want to manifest, that will help you to overcome all issues. And for Aquarius, you have the card Honesty. Be honest to yourself, within you and outside you, with all the people and the universe. That will help you to overcome all issues, that will bring abundance in your life. And what the best you can do is, you have got the card Run. You have to, sitting and thinking about it is nothing like laziness. Just if you want to achieve something, you have to go behind it. So go behind it with the honesty in your heart, that will fetch you. That's the message from you. And for Pisces, you have got the card Awakening. Hear, accept and express truth. What you hear, accept it. That is from the universe. You have to awaken yourself, the energies and the messages of the universe, so that you can apply it in your life to bring changes. What the universe is going to give you as a ignition code. Sometimes these ignition codes work very, very effectively. Move on. So the moving on is very important. So here, what messages the universe is sending you, this word, that run, move on, enjoy, joy, job, whatever it is, you keep on repeating in your mind again and again. That will help you to overcome your present issue. That can be used as a ignition code also. So I think you have got the message, guys. So if you like our channel, kindly like, share and subscribe.